Fiji. And before I finish, I'd like to thank all members of the event organizing committee, and in particular the Insurance Association Secretariat, Ms. Marida Seduandua.
Chairperson of the Insurance Association of Fiji, Sitiveni Rabuka, distinguished guests, honorable members of Parliament today, and you're here, leaders and professionals of the Fiji insurance industry, award recipients, young champions and friends, ladies and gentlemen. Nisambul Vinaka. And as a slight scare this evening, when I saw that my program at 6 o'clock on it, so I don't know whether you can develop a policy on bad typing or bad programming or whatever, so that I don't get blamed. It is a privilege to join you tonight to celebrate leadership, service, and innovation in Fiji's insurance industry. I thank the Insurance Association of Fiji for hosting this remarkable event. Your theme this year, I believe, is Lead, Deliver, and Thrive. It is timely, it is inspiring. Tonight is about more than just recognizing achievement. It is also about reflecting on the essential role that insurance plays in building a safer, fairer, and more resilient Fiji. Insurance is more than just a business. It is a public good. It is a promise of security, a foundation for economic stability, and a safety net for our people. In a country like Fiji, which faces the constant threat of cyclones, floods, and other climate-related disasters, a strong insurance sector is essential for recovery and resilience. I was watching the stage tonight, and I've been back since the 24th of December of 2022. And every time I try and get up on this stage and other big hotel stages, I struggle. I wonder if they're insured against elderly people tumbling on these steps. Food for thought. In 2023, our insurance sector showed strong growth. Combined assets of our life and general insurers reached $2.7 billion. It's over 9% of the total financial system assets. That is no small achievement. And I congratulate you. But the real value of insurance cannot be measured in numbers alone. Its value lies in helping families rebuild after a cyclone, enabling small businesses to reopen, and giving people hope during their most difficult times. Your Fijian government sees the insurance industry as a key partner in our mission to eliminate poverty and improve the lives of all Fijians, especially our most vulnerable communities. The Fijian government, in partnership with the Reserve Bank of Fiji, insurers, and development partners, has expanded affordable insurance for vulnerable communities. Initiatives include micro insurance for over 85,000 social welfare recipients, innovative parametric disaster insurance, and products supporting women in rural areas. Since 2018, over $20 million has been paid in claims, with rapid payouts aiding recovery after disasters. These efforts under the National Financial Inclusion Strategy strengthen financial resilience. They protect livelihoods and promote inclusive growth through strong collaboration and regulatory support. Together, we can expand insurance to reach more people, especially those in rural and maritime areas, modernize regulation to protect consumers and encourage innovations, develop affordable products for the poor, informal workers, farmers, and small business owners. And we must move from coverage for some to protection for all. We must move from coverage for some to protection for all. I commend the industry's shift from simply paying claims after disasters to actively helping people reduce the risks and make better choices. We now see policies that encourage healthier lifestyles, safer driving, and climate-friendly practices. This change reflects the maturity of our insurance sector, an industry that promotes long-term well-being, resilience, and sustainable growth. A highlight of tonight is recognizing the school students who took part in the National Insurance Awareness Logo Competition. To our young winners, Vinavalevu, your creativity is helping raise awareness about the importance of insurance, and this is not just an art project. It is an investment in the future, and we want our young people to understand financial security so they can build confident and resilient lives. The Insurance Association's engagement with the youth ensures that the next generation will be better prepared to handle risks and opportunities. We also gather to honor the professionals who keep the industry strong, the brokers, the agents, underwriters, executives, and especially the recipients of Lifetime Achievement Awards. Your decades of service have built trust in the industry. We also celebrate tonight top performers whose dedication have set a very high standard for us all. The launch of the Insurance Association's new logo is another milestone, a symbol of unity and forward movement for the industry. True innovation is inclusive. It means developing products for those who need them most: single mothers, market vendors, cane farmers, and students. Insurance should not be a privilege. It should be a basic right for everyone, giving all Fijians the ability to recover, rebuild, and restart after hardships. Let this gala inspire not just celebration, but collaboration between competitors, regulators, the private sector, and government. When I travel around Fiji, I ask myself, can a Ndalo farmer in Naita Siri file a claim as early as a banker in Suva? The answer we work toward must be yes. And to achieve that, we need digital inclusion, easy-to-use platforms in mobile apps available in our local languages, affordable microinsurance so that every Fijian can be protected no matter how little their income might be. Climate-smart solutions, just as a parametric insurance that pays out quickly after disasters. We cannot afford to wait. As climate risks intensify, we must explore public-private partnerships, risk pooling, and new products that are fast, fair, and accessible. As your Prime Minister, I reaffirm your government's full support for the insurance industry. Our shared mission is to innovate with inclusive, locally tailored products, reach the uninsured and underinsured so that protection is a right and not a privilege. And build public trust through transparency, service excellence, and social impact. The true success of our insurance sector is measured not just in profits, but in peace of mind, opportunity, and dignity for every Fijian. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, we see more than glamour and celebration. We see a golden opportunity to lead, to deliver, and to thrive together. Let us seize the opportunity with courage, with collaboration, and a shared commitment to serve all our people, especially the most vulnerable. Let's ensure that no one in Fiji is left without the means to recover from life's challenges, whether from a disaster, or from an illness, or economic hardship. May tonight be a celebration not only of past achievements, but also a pledge to the future, where every Fijian can stand on solid ground, free from the fear of that a single event will push them into poverty or back into poverty. May God bless you all. God bless Fiji. Vinawalev.
Thank you very much. We invite the Honourable Prime Minister to remain on